Hey everyone, my name is Joe with Dark Shade Window Tint, and in this video, we're gonna show you how we saved our client over $100,000 by tinting their windows instead of replacing them. Let's get started. So our client had a big issue. He had single pane windows throughout his entire home, and because of that, it was letting in all the heat and it was letting in all the harmful UV rays during the day, which was starting to damage his floors and his furniture. So he wanted to add more efficiency to his house, so he got a quote for double pane windows. He heard that not only does it help block the UV rays, but it also will help block heat. Now the problem was when he got the quote to replace all the windows in his house was over $100,000. So he looked for other alternatives to not only get the same efficiency, but help cut down on the cost. And that's when he came and that's when he contacted us, because he saw one of our videos that went over ceramic window film. And that's exactly what we did on this project. We installed a lighter shaded 35% ceramic window film on his entire home. Not only is this film gonna reduce over 50% of heat while standard double pane windows block 15 to 20, it's also gonna block 99% of all the harmful UV rays that damage and discolor floors and furniture, while double pane windows don't block anything near that. They're like in 30, maybe 40% range. So not only is he getting more heat rejection, not only is it gonna be more UV protection compared to double pane windows, but the price for our quote was 10 times cheaper compared to replacing the windows. And on top of that, all ceramic window films come with a lifetime warranty. So up until he moves out the house, if anything is peeling or bubbling on his windows, it's covered and replaced by us. So in this situation, we just wanted to educate a lot of our clients and let them know that you do not have to change your windows if you have single pane windows to double pane for more efficiency. Many times you're gonna spend more and not even get that much more efficiency compared to tinting them, which the cost in his case was 10 times cheaper and over 3 times more effective in reducing the heat. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you with the BTU meter a window that is not tinted versus a window that is tinted, so you can see for yourself how much heat is getting through. So you could really see the difference in a window that is not tinted and one that has the ceramic film on it. All right, so right now the BTU meter is reading around 125, 127. And so this is a window that has not been tinted, and we're gonna show you a window right beneath it that has been tinted, just so you can see the difference that this very light shaded film has once installed on the glass. So this window has been tinted, and as you can tell, there's a drastic difference in the amount of heat getting through the window. It's literally cutting the heat getting through by around 50%, and on top of that, it's blocking 99% of the harmful UV rays that would have gone through the window. And overall, it's just gonna make the room feel much more pleasant to be in, especially during the afternoon sun when the windows are open. So it's just gonna cut back on energy costs, but it's just gonna make the room feel that much better, just because now the heat that's getting through is literally cut in half. So after watching this video, hopefully you learned a little bit more about the benefits of getting ceramic window film installed on your home windows instead of replacing them all together. Ultimately, many times you're gonna save over 5 times in cost compared to replacing the window. But on top of that, you're just gonna get more performance. So you're actually gonna get more bang for your buck in this specific situation. So if you have any questions or if you'd like to contact us for a free quote, below this video, there's gonna be a link that you could click on. Is going to shoot you over to our website where you can fill out a quick form, and one of our trained representatives will reach out to you to help answer any questions or schedule a date and time for a free quote, and also bring a lot of different samples and different shades just so you can find which shade is perfect for your project. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on the next one.